Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can make money off of Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, there are three main ways in which you can do this. The first and of course most obvious one is setting up a store on Shopify, which is what Shopify is meant for. The other one is you can create a site which you can play ads on, and the third one is just promoting your services and other things through your store, which I'm not sure why you might want to do this, since you can just build a store and sell those on it, but it is completely up to you. Now, to set up a store, there is a lot of things that you can do, but you have this setup guide right over here, which has all the steps that you need. What you are going to need, though, is a paid domain just to set up your store, since you do need to go public with it, and unless you have that domain, you won't be able to. From here, you can set this up. You can go into your products and add products, manage your customers, your orders, content, and go and check out the analytics and create marketing campaigns just to make selling a bit easier. And then once you're done with all that and adding everything that needs to be added, you can go into settings, set up shipping rates, set up regions or markets in which you are operating. And once you're done with that, you can go into your online store and customize it and change the theme to best suit the style of store you're going for. Now, as you can see, this is what my store looks like. It's the most bare bones theme, the default Dawn theme for Shopify, and you can change this and add whichever products or whichever pages you would like and suit it to your needs. Now, you can do that. You can also edit the custom CSS, but you can also add different things such as blocks or sections. And if you have a section, you can go into custom liquid, or you might even be possible to find an embed, which you will then be able to use to actually embed Google AdSense, for example. And the embed here is just the custom liquid, so you just need to click that, and under liquid code you just need to paste your embed code for your ads on Google AdSense or whichever ad provider you're using. But yeah, that is the other way in which you can do that. Once you save everything, go public, you can then start selling your products, which can be physical or digital or even services, on Shopify. And you can also run ads to get a bit more passive income just from people visiting your site. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.